There you go, guys. You guys can check over here. Now on the sport mode. So it still handles. So it's not that heavy. So it's pretty good. So I'm trying to do the active track here later on this thing. So far so good, man. Thing go. Wow, when I come back here. Yeah, it's good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put the light in the back on this thing. See if it works or not. Wow. Wow.
Low battery warning.
There you go.